So something crazy happened with the print that I'm printing on, and I'm pretty sure I know what the problem was. I got an outbound error in the middle of my color change. And when I was about ready to go through, it just threw an error message. So now that print is done. So I need to get that thing off the build plate, and we're going to have to reprint it again. And I think I know what I did. Now I think it off the top of my head. So I'm going to show you a couple different things that you might need to check if you get the same exact error too. So let's jump. If you ever are in the middle of a print and you get an out of bounds error or something like that, this here might be your problem. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways to fix this. I have mine kind of like chilling out here, and I know exactly what I did. But I'm going to show you a couple things that you need to do to go ahead and fix this. First thing we're going to do is actually turn off our printer. So I have mine off right now. I'm going to go ahead and restart it. I'm going to turn this here off, and I'll show you guys. So I have the Creality High that this happened with right here. I changed out my build plate. You don't have to do that. You can actually just take off your build plate and remove whatever's on there because you're going to need to do that. We're going to do a homing here real quick. So I'm going to go into my configuration. I'm going to do XYZ on here, and I'm going to hit this button right here in the middle. It's XY, this little home thing. And this is going to go ahead and do our homing. We're going to do the same thing for Z when that right there is done too. So that way we can make sure everything is homed and working correctly. How this here all works, that there's like this little stopper over here. This here tells the system this is where the end of the line basically is. So that way you can go ahead and calibrate. Now that I have that done, I'm going to show you exactly what my problem was. And it's actually choosing the wrong build plate. So I have a Creality High, but whenever I brought this here in, for some reason my printer, after an upgrade, changed my profile to a Creality K2 Plus. With it up here. So that is my problem. It has a different build plate size, so I actually need to change this to my Creality High nozzle. I have no idea why that happened. So out here I'm going to go ahead and change everything with it, and then I'm going to go ahead and resize. We're good now. So now if I slice this, I should be good. That is why, this is the exact reason why this right here is actually printing all the way over here and causing the error message. So there's a couple things. If you get that error message about homing, this here is our out of bounds. This here is probably your whole reason. You need to go ahead and change your profile for your printer to the one that you are actually printing on. If you found that helpful, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And YouTube also thinks you guys might want to like these videos too. Go ahead and click over there, and I'll see you guys on the next one.